Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Dreame hack with unlimited coins for 2025 on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. This is like the most simple guide ever. Just go to zoomods.com and once you're there, go to the search bar and type in Dreame. And as you can see, there is the Dreame mod. So we're going to press on it and it is going to start to download. So let's just give it a minute for it to go ahead and finish. As you can see, now I do want to tell you that before we can actually install this onto our device, we are going to have to do a verification, which is a one-time process. And basically what we have to do is download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. So they're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So let me just show you guys how it works. So as you can see, it says Dreame mod installer. Please install apps. So there's 4 apps. You got to make sure you read the instructions. Like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. WGT Golf says reach level 10. You just press tap to install. It's going to redirect you straight to the app store, guys. And then we just have to download 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. And then you will get your Dreame mod. So be sure to try this out. It actually works. And it's super insane. As you can see, I have tons of coins right there. So if you're poor on Dreame, guys, you have got to try this out. Very simple process. They've got a thing down here that says check completion, so it's actively looking to make sure you did it. And by the way, if you see different apps, that's totally fine. It's just part of the process depending on where you live. So yeah, it's super cool. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super wild, fully working method. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.